BeMAP is really one of our main initiatives to engage students in helping us do the full audit of the building and what's actually inside the buildings so that we get a better appreciation for the details of all these appliances, whether they're research equipment or computers or freezers or coffee makers. And so we can get a handle on what the secondary loads are, the plug loads actually are in the buildings. Because as I said, once we complete most of the heavy construction on the air conditioning central systems, it's going to be actually in the buildings themselves and down to the building and office level that's going to make a big difference. And that's what we're looking for BeMAP to help us out on.
It permeates throughout every aspect of what we do on campus. So through BeMAP, the notion or the concept is to, for the first time in a very comprehensive way, try to thoroughly understand what our overall emissions are, what our overall carbon footprint is, what the sources are of these various different places of output of carbon emissions. And it's it's been widely said that what you don't know you can't manage. So the first step to managing what our output is, what our carbon footprint is, what our overall emissions are, is to document and understand.
This project is the BeMAP project, the Benchmarking, Monitoring, and Analysis project, and it's all around trying to benchmark our progress on energy and greenhouse gas emissions here at the University of Hawaii at Manoa, because we see ourselves in a leadership role in this effort for the university, for the state of Hawaii, and also as a model for the nation. And I'm very excited about this project. We have a great team of undergraduate students and graduate students who are involved in helping to understand what's happening here on campus in terms of energy use, in terms of greenhouse gas emissions, and helping us to benchmark our progress as we design strategies going forward. And we're helped in this by the Facilities and Grounds Office here on campus, so we've got a lot of campus support. And another important reason for this BeMAP project is to be a signature to the Leader Circle of the American Colleges and Universities President's Climate Commitment. So this was an initiative of, it started out with less than 100 university presidents and chancellors across the nation signing on to a commitment, and that's grown to, I think, more than 600 now universities that have signed on. Our goal at the time was to commit campuses to reducing greenhouse gas emissions to 1990 levels by the year 2020. Another commitment that we made was to develop climate action plans so that we have strategies as a campus to show responsibility in this area. And I'm glad to say that we're making progress on these fronts, and our students are so involved in making sure that this moves forward. We agreed at the time to also develop curriculum to support our goals with climate, our climate commitment goals, and to develop courses like that. And at the University of Hawaii, we have a number of strong courses around the topic of climate change and helping to inform our students about climate change and to involve them in our research and our activities. So we're very excited about that commitment, and we've become a lead college in the ACU PCC, and we're very excited about that. More recently, the current chancellor has signed on to the Climate Registry, and this took place in April of 2008. Now, the Climate Registry is a third-party registry to actually report greenhouse gas emissions according to a methodology that's established by global protocols. And the Climate Registry is also Hawaii's official registry for the state, and it is potentially the official registry for the nation. It's building up to that level. We're really excited that the University of Hawaii was the very first university in the nation to sign on to be a founding reporter. Another program that we've signed on to and we're very excited by is the Energy Star program. We have long been an Energy Star university, and the focus of our program in the past has been on assuring that we are using Energy Star appliances in our dormitories and wherever we are able to across the campus. But we've been able to also expand our commitment through the Energy Star portfolio management program, and this program is holding us accountable to reporting our energy use, our lighting use, and our purpose for using energy by building across our campus. So we are embarking now on an energy accounting methodology that takes our energy use down to the detail of individual buildings, individual floors, so that we can understand what's driving energy use on this campus. We think by understanding that, we're going to be able to meet the other kinds of goals that we have of being more energy efficient as a campus, using our energy wisely, and in so doing, reduce our greenhouse gas emissions footprint.